Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day of Education. The International Day of Education is annually celebrated on 24th January. This year marks the 6th year of the celebration under the theme Learning for Lasting Peace. The day will be celebrated with several events such as high-level dialogue on learning for lasting peace at United Nations headquarters, a festival on the lines of learning to take care of oneself, others and the planet, and much more. Let us look back at its history. In 2018, 24th January was declared as the International Day of Education by a resolution that was passed by the United Nations General Assembly on 3rd December 2018. It was established to create awareness on the accessibility of education and why it is significant for everyone. Following this, the first International Day of Education was observed on 24th January 2019. Notably, the right to education is enshrined in Article 26 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The declaration calls for free and compulsory elementary education. The Convention on the Rights of the Child, adopted in 1989, goes further to stipulate that countries shall make higher education accessible to all. As we move on to the practice question, we are excited to share with you that Team Drishti is offering 20 to 50% discounts on all its online pen drive and test series courses this Republic Day. To avail of this discount, click on the link given in the description below. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, which article of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights enshrines the right to education? Your options are Article 24, Article 25, Article 26 or Article 27. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.